In a world where conventionalism has taken over, one YouTube channel's fight against the machine begins. The Unconventional Money Team will help you break free from working constantly but never having money, having worthless items that cost you money but don't bring any value, having bad money spending habits that are destroying your financial future, not knowing how to make your money work for you. Unconventional Money is a channel for the people who want to break free from conventional ways of making and saving money. If that is your desire, well then subscribe today.
Face me, Snake Warrior, I will destroy you. I am the unconventional warrior of truth, and I do not fear you. Face me yourself. Face me. I've been preparing for this day. You will not win.
Bring it on, Rom. You're never gonna get enough likes and subscribers to make a difference.
I'm the unconventional warrior of truth, and every action I take is to enlighten people on the truth, no matter what the cost. Whether I live or die, I will fight you to the death. I am ready to die for my cause. Are you ready to die for yours? Change your ways, Snake Warrior. Stop teaching people financial illiteracy, and I will let you live.
Never, ever gonna change my ways.
Then you will die. You had your chance. I would have spared you. So, Unconventional Money Warriors, this is what happens when you want to be ignorant and you really don't want to learn. Some people would rather live happily in ignorance, but guess what? It ends up costing you. And unfortunately, Snake Warrior here didn't want to listen. He was given his financial freedom in a way, and he refused to take it. So he ended up dying for his lack of wanting to accept the truth and knowledge. So don't be a Snake Warrior, guys. Please like and subscribe. Again, we're doing our best to provide you high quality educational content. Again, this is Unconventional Money. I'm Ram, I'm your host, and let's go to the next episode. See you guys soon.
Videos are gonna post in a single month.
A month? We do a video once a week, if not twice. What kind of ignorant question is that?
Ram wants you to succeed and will continue to bring you unconventional money-making content for free. Leave a comment below, a like, and if you would, subscribe for more money-making tips. Also take this opportunity for an amazing offer from Webull. 2 free stocks worth up to $1,800. See the link in the description below. They even give Ram a free stock. Everybody wins.